Happy Sunday mga kaponi! Kumusta kayo? And today is a special day ng ating kaponi sponsor na si Tita Bebelyn. At birthday niya po ngayon! Dahil birthday ni Tita Bebelyn, pupunta tayo sa... Saan tayo pupunta, ate?
Restaurant.
Sa restaurant. Ayan, nagbigay po si Tita ng treat sa atin bilang ano niya, loves and support. Ayan, maraming salamat Tita Bebelyn and happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tita Bebelyn.
Ayan, thank you sa pag-treat po sa amin. Ayan, excited si Gavin.
Yes.
Saan tayo pupunta? Saan? Sa restaurant. Anong restaurant?
I don't know.
American. Parang si Tita nasa Amerika. Si Kuya Gabo kasama natin, si Pepa. Medyo konti tayo ngayon dahil yung iba sila Lorna pero nakikipiesta doon sa ate nila. Si Ate Robin naman, habol na lang siguro siya. Nag-overnight swimming sila.
Happy birthday, Tita Bebelyn. Thank you for the treat to us. We love you. Stay safe lang. Lasing Gavin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Bebelyn. O, ano wish mo kay Tita Bebelyn? Stay safe lang, Tita Bebelyn. Stay safe, Tita Bebelyn. Okay, happy birthday. Ikaw, Pepa, ano wish mo?
Stay healthy lang. Palagi, ingat lagi.
Ingat lang, Tita Bebelyn. We love you. Si Kuya Gabo, ano wish?
Happy birthday, Tita Bebelyn. Mag-ingat.
Sige. Okay. Mommy?
Happy birthday, Tita Bebelyn. Good health and enjoy your day.
Si Daddy, ano wish?
Happy birthday din, Tita. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. More blessings. Enjoy lang po.
Lahat ng tao.
Lahat ng tao ay happy.
Sige. Magtok ka dyan. Akong hahawa.
So, Tita Bebelyn, papunta na tayo sa restaurant, sa American restaurant. Yay! Are you excited? Nakapunta na kami doon dati. Parang meron tayo kasama doon.
Sarap yung chicken doon, di ba?
Oo, masarap. Trinay ko. Dati.
Mura na ang gasol. Ano na lang.
Mura na.
81 ang diesel. 77. Nababa na, ano?
Dito tayo.
78 na.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Ha? Pwede rin dyan. Ang ganda ng ambience nila. Parang nasa New York. Order na tayo.
When I look in your eyes, I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even eyes?
Na-blue agad. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, tita. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. Thank you for the blessings. Okay, lagay na natin dito. Kakain na tayo. Thank you, tita. Wish kay tita.
Good health po, tita, and more blessings to you and your family. May God bless you always. Salamat po.
Gavin.
Thank you, Tita.
Happy birthday.
Birthday for the food.
Thank you for the food, tita. How about ka, ate?
Thank you for Tita for the blessings and ingat po lang kami.
Kuya.
Happy birthday, tita.
Okay, let's eat. Pray muna, mami. Okay, kain na. Kain tayo mga kaponi.
Water lang sila.
But you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even do you even leave now, make your escape.
Take out na lang, may tira pa naman. Kasi busog na.
Busog na gabi.
Thank you, Tita Beverly. Salamat po sa masarap na food. Nag-enjoy at nabusog kayo.
Yes!
Oh, may take out pa.
Yes!
Busog! Ay, di na busog.
Busog na busog.
Busog na busog. Si Ate Robby hindi nakahabol. Oh, may take out naman po, tita. Bibigyan na lang natin. Thank you so much. And sa mga viewers natin, maraming salamat po. Happy Sunday! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Salamat, tita.
Morning comes too early, hands already warm, working for a better